Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to use Deepseek AI chat assistant. It is similar to ChatGPT, but this has more effectiveness and has more informations and open source than ChatGPT. So let's see how to use it. Just go over to your App Store or Play Store depending on the phone you are using, and you search for Deepseek just like this. And as you can see, this is it. If you look at it, Deepseek AI assistant. As for me, I already have it. As for you, you just have to install it. So if you look at it, this is the app. Just ensure that this is the app you are downloading. This is the preview. Your AI assistant powered by Deepseek V3 and all of that. So once you are done, just open it up. So as you can see, I have opened it up right here, and this is the interface. So if you are familiar with ChatGPT, you should also understand this interface. This is where you just type in your prompt right here, whatever you intend to ask it, because it uses a large language model, and you can just type in anything right here and it will give you responses. So like, for example, I can say, write me a poem on happiness. So before you send it out, it has this model which is called the Deepseek R1 model. Now, if you don't turn that model on, just like I did, I have turned it off, it will be giving you the responses kind of a little bit slow. But if you turn on this Deepseek R1, it gives you faster. So let me send it through. So one thing I like about this Deepseek is that it gives you some extra thinking that it is doing. So if it is thinking, it will be telling you that this is what it's thinking on how to give you that information. But if you see, I have my poem right here on happiness. Happiness is the sunlight and all of that. So this is how you use Deepseek. Generally, it's similar to ChatGPT, but this has more information. I'm going to explain more on Deepseek on my next videos coming up, so you get to understand Deepseek much more better and how you can effectively use it to do a lot of things, which also involves making money. So you can explore other stuffs right here on Deepseek. You can see, you can search the web right here and just type anything into search the internet and give you information from the internet. If you click this plus sign right here, you can upload images. If you see, you can upload documents, images, and you can just take a photo right away. So now there are some features that are yet to be fully right here on Deepseek, which is you recording your voice, like how you can prompt ChatGPT with just your voice, and probably image. But I think the image will be incorporated very soon because it was released with the Deepseek R1. So you can always use this plus point at this point to start a new chat, just like this. If I click this point, you can get to see all your chats that you have done right here. If I click this detail point, you'll get to see other details right here about your own stuffs. Then if you click this point that says color scheme, you can change it to dark if you like. As you can see, I've changed my interface to dark. If I like the white one, I'll change it to the white one. So if you see, this is just generally how Deepseek works. So it's just for you to learn how to prompt it. It will give you all that you need. So more is yet to still come because they are still in their early stage and there is more to expect from Deepseek. So check out the Deepseek AI tool and compare it to ChatGPT, and also drop on the comment section what you think about it. Ensure you're already subscribed to the channel if you have not done so, because I'll be releasing more videos on this Deepseek AI and how you can actually leverage on it to make money for yourself and also advance your AI knowledge. See you on the next video.